Hey, so it's been a day I've been looking forward to, delivery of the Apple HomePod, and it's to replace in our bedroom, welcome to our bedroom, the Bose Portable, which is ancient now. We've got to get an adapter for it to fit the iPhone, latest lightning adapter, so that's going. Obviously this one's not portable. Let's open it and have a look, shall we? So I'm going to set it all up and run through that. Let's have a look at this box here then. Oh. Got a little bit of a rattle going on here. I think it was that candle. Right, yeah, so let's take this out. It's a bit heavy actually. Get rid of the box. So it says HomePod there, little arrow, little green arrow there. Doesn't really say much. You can tell this is the black one, I think, because you've got the black packaging there, or the black picture. So it just unwinds quite easily, and then you lift up, and we're in. And we'll just pop it out. We've got the UK plug on the bottom. Fresh apples. Beautiful. So, let's get rid of all this box. So I don't like editing my videos, as you know, so I just kind of like go with the flow. I'll set all this up and we can have a listen. We'll ask Siri some questions along the way. I've been waiting for Apple to do something like this. Downstairs we've got the, if you didn't catch my video before, I've got the Muso box and the larger one, which is great sound, room filling sound. I don't expect this to be room filling sound. Oh, that's satisfying. Yeah, I don't expect this to be room filling sound, but I do expect to be able to kind of like use the features more, because we use Apple Music here in this house, so I'm a little bit concerned that it doesn't have everything ready to go. Excuse me while I just plug this in. I.e., like they promised, you can't put two speakers out because AirPlay 2 is not ready yet. And just pop down here and see if I can get this plugged in. Yeah, so it's not, I'm not too happy about that. And on top of that, you can't have multiple users. It will recognise only one phone at the moment. So that's another kind of like thing, omission. So until we get AirPlay 2, we can't have multiple speakers. Ooh. So we've got a little bit of noise. So that's going to sit back there. I've gone for the black to match the wallpaper, and I think it fits quite well. I think it looks quite nice. So that's a good start. So I've got my iPhone 10 here, and let's just hold it up next to it. Nothing at the moment. Do I have to touch it? Ah, okay, so I unlock my phone and it goes in setup. So I go and press setup, continue, setting up the HomeKit related things, so press continue. I think that's it. I think we're in. Hey Siri. Do you know what? There's no indication, it didn't say it was finished. I love it when it doesn't go to plan. This is... So, hey Siri, play some music. No? I don't know if it's set up or not. I'm just going to go into settings and... So it's not coming up in my places to play, which is kind of strange. Okay, so it's come up, set up again. I've got a choice, my home, my home, my home, continue. Where's the HomePod? It's in the bedroom. Continue. Personal request I'm going to turn off because we've got multiple users. So not now. Continue. Agree. Transfer settings. Cool. Now it's setting up. So that kind of like took a couple of times to do, but it's doing it now. So it's still setting up. So it just says setting up. And we're doing this kind of like in real time so that you guys can know. I'm looking forward to asking some questions for Siri. There, done.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention,
it's a bit corny, isn't it?
Siri.
Hey Siri. Okay. Hey Siri, what's the temperature?
It's currently 6 degrees.
It's a bit chilly here, so we're gonna... Hey Siri, put the heating on.
Sorry, I wasn't able to find anything like that this time.
Well, that's a shame, wasn't it? Hey Siri, put the heating on.
Sorry, I wasn't able to find anything like that this time.
Hey Siri, put the bedroom light on.
Sorry, I wasn't able to find anything like that this time.
Okay, so let's have a look at what's going on here. So if I go into my home, I've got my HomeKit here, and I've got heating, lights and everything else, but for some reason it's not finding it. That's quite a big fail, really. I don't even know how I would start the setup again. Rooms. So I'm looking at my rooms. Yeah, how strange. Very strange. Anyway, let's play some music. Hey Siri, play Shuffle my cracking playlist.
Playlist the A-list, Christian shuffled and playing.
No, that's not right. Hey Siri, stop. Siri, play my cracking playlist. I've got a playlist called Cracking. Hey Siri, play my cracking playlist.
I couldn't find Mike Traffin on Apple Music
No.
or in your library.
Siri. Hey Siri, play my cracking playlist.
Okay, playing playlist Cracking Christmas.
Cracking Christmas. I mean, it is shocking. Stop. Hey Siri, stop. Right, it's absolutely shocking. Okay, let's ask some other questions. Hey Siri, got any chat-up lines?
Here goes nothing. Was your father an intergalactic space smuggler, wanted for peddling extraterrestrial contraband in 9 systems? Then who stole the stars and put them in your eyes?
That's shocking as well. Hey Siri, how much wood does a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
In a study called The Ability of Woodchucks to Chuck Cellulose Fibers, published in the Annals of Improbable Science in 1995, the authors found that woodchucks chew wood at a rate of 361.9237001 cubic centimetres per animals per day.
Oh, crazy. Okay, hey Siri, do you follow the 3 rules of robotics?
Let's see if I can remember. Okay, I think the 3 laws are: 1. Clean up your room. 2. Don't run with scissors. And 3. Always wait a half hour after eating before going in the water.
Okay, so I'm setting this up in my bedroom, so Siri's going to be pretty much sleeping with me. Hey Siri, will you sleep with me?
Assuming I understand your question correctly. No.
Yeah, I thought so. Okay, so hey Siri, play some music.
Okay, I think you might enjoy starting with some Carly Simon.
Why? So I can turn it up. Hey Siri, stop. Okay, so I'm going to now play it through AirPlay. Let's try this. So on here I've got my bedroom. There we go. Connected. Press play. This is music courtesy Ben Sound. Good. Very good. Hey Siri, stop. Hey Siri, stop. Hey Siri, stop. So that doesn't work. I'm guessing it's because I'm doing it through AirPlay from my phone through a website. I'm guessing. Let's try that again. Playing a song. I don't know what song to play. Hey Siri, play Bohemian Rhapsody.
Okay, let's hear Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen.
Is this the real life?
Hey Siri, stop.
Is this just...
So it does stop, just like that. So yeah, I'm a bit concerned. I'm not sure how to reset up the speaker. I'm guessing there's some kind of like way to do that. I may have to kind of like look online to figure that out. I've got a feeling that because it's on my wife's phone, the HomeKit is all located on that and it's shared with me, that it has to be synced with her phone. So I think maybe that's a bit of a flaw. Again, it may be an update to come. There's obviously going to be updates and there's going to be moaning going on from things that are missing and omitted. But we are now waiting for AirPlay 2 to come out, which will allow multiple speakers. It's going to allow multiple phones, I believe, and multiple voices, because at the moment, if I set personal requests as on, anybody in the house on the Wi-Fi network could come over and just say, hey Siri, read my latest text, reply to my text and send iMessages as if they were me. So what I haven't tried is turning my phone on to airplane mode. So I've just done that, it's in airplane mode, and see if the speaker works now. I'm guessing it will. Hey Siri, play a song. I don't know what the request, so just play.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's hear Play by Jennifer Lopez.
Okay. Hey Siri, stop. Okay, so that's without a phone next to it. So turn airplane mode back on. So that's quite useful. You don't have to have your phone. You can come into the room, play some music straight away just by walking into your bedroom. I suppose that's quite nice. You can be laying in bed and just say, "Play, please stop, please skip a song." Yeah, it's quite useful. Hey Siri, what's today's date?
It's Friday, the 9th of February 2018.
And that's the release day of the HomePod. Okay, hey Siri, what's the headlines?
Here's the latest news from the BBC. Or if you prefer, say hey Siri, switch to Sky News or switch to LBC instead.
So,
The latest BBC News update from Radio 5 Live.
Former hostages held by the Islamic State group have
Hey, Siri,
welcomed
stop.
the capture of 2 British members.
there we go. So that's quite useful as well. You can get the news. Hey Siri, give me the weather.
It's currently partly cloudy and 6 degrees in Plymouth. Expect
hey.
mostly clear skies starting in the afternoon.
Hey Siri,
Temperatures ahead.
stop. Hey Siri, give me the weather for London.
It's currently cloudy and 5 degrees in London. Expect mostly clear skies starting in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Temperatures are heading down from 6 degrees this afternoon to 2 tonight.
It just doesn't understand some of my playlists, I think. I've always had issues with Siri understanding some of my song titles as well, and but it seems to be all right. Yeah, I'm going to give it a thumbs up with the noise, i.e. the sound. I think Siri's a little bit.
In Syria, Alexander Coty.
Why does that come back on? Hey Siri, stop.
Part of the notorious.
Right. Hey Siri, play a song.
Okay, let's press play. Starting with Here I Go Again by Whitesnake.
What I'm going to do is try turning it up. Hey Siri, turn it up. Hey Siri, turn it up more. Hey Siri, turn it down. Hey Siri, mute.
This is about you, not me.
Hey Siri, pause. Okay. Mute didn't work, but pause did. Hey Siri, play. Hey Siri, next song. Let's try it a bit lower this time. Hey Siri, next song. Do it from across the room, so we're going to be off camera. Hey Siri, next song. Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, I'm happy. Quick tap to the top, pauses it as well. Yeah. I'm just hoping it won't get everything, all the dust stuck to it. I do like the feel of it as well. It's quite a nice feel. Anyway, any questions, let me know. I'm sure I'm one of many doing videos of this item, but I just wanted to put it in a real world environment, tell you some of the pros and cons. I'm sure that the HomeKit will work once we reset it up with my wife's phone. So anyway, please give us a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give us a thumbs down, but please subscribe and you'll get my latest videos. And peace. Cheers. Bye bye.